Hi, today I'm going to introduce how to replace the spring of the wheel of RC8X. This is the spring of the wheel of RC8X. First, we need to remove the wheel kit. Use the screwdriver to remove the two screws. Disconnect all the cables and remove the wheel. The spring is in this position, so we need to disassemble all the accessories of the wheel kit so that we can replace the spring. Then disassemble the wheel kit. Remove the wheel. Remove the PCB board of the wheel. There are 3 screws for the board. The cable here is to connect a potentiometer. Take the cable out from the hole. There are 5 screws. And loosen them. Take out the shell. And take out trim buttons and a switch. Take out the cover. There is a hook. A shaft to fix the wheel, and a spring. Now replace the new spring. Install the roller. Put the potentiometer back. Hold the potentiometer with the finger. Put the shaft back. And the hook. Use your finger to press it. Then install the new spring. Hook the 2 ends of the spring. Turn it over. Find PS1. There is a small hole next to PS1. The hole matches the screw. Put it in. Put back the trim buttons. The trim buttons should be put upward like this. PS1 with protrusion faces up. Install the board and pass the cable through the hole. Match the screw holes to the screws. Tighten the 3 screws of the board. Put on the shell and make sure all the holes match. Move the trim buttons and they work well. Tighten all the 5 screws. Remember to connect the cable to the board. Insert the wheel. Make sure the shape matches. Tighten the screw. And the wheel and all the buttons work well. Insert the plastic plate. Connect the cables to the connector. Here is the right connection. Gently put the wires into the interlayer. Tighten the two screws. Power on RC8X. The servo value may not be 0 after you replace the wheel or spring. Please calibrate the wheel. If there is something wrong with the servo display, you can check this video tutorial on our YouTube channel for methods on calibration. So that's all about how to replace the spring of RC8X wheel.